Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component of your vehicle's steering system, the power steering pump. Specifically, we will be talking about the symptoms of a bad power steering pump. So, if you've been experiencing some steering issues, stick around to find out what might be causing them. First things first, let's understand what a power steering pump does. The power steering pump is responsible for providing hydraulic pressure to your steering system, making it easier to turn the wheel. When it's working properly, steering feels smooth and effortless. Symptoms of a bad power steering pump. Symptom 1, whining noise. If you hear a high-pitched whining or squealing sound when you're turning the steering wheel, it could be a sign that your power steering pump is on its way out. This noise often means that the pump is struggling to provide enough hydraulic pressure. Symptom 2, stiff steering wheel. One of the most common symptoms of a failing power steering pump is a steering wheel that becomes hard to turn. This happens because the pump isn't generating enough hydraulic pressure to assist with the steering. Remember, steering should always be smooth and responsive. Symptom 3, fluid leaks. Keep an eye out for any fluid leaks under your car. Power steering fluid leaks are a clear indication that something is wrong with your power steering system. If you notice puddles of reddish-brown fluid under your car, it's time to check the power steering pump and hoses for leaks. Symptom 4, low power steering fluid levels. Continuously needing to add power steering fluid typically indicates a leak somewhere in the system. This could be due to a damaged pump, worn-out seals, or compromised hoses. Low fluid levels can cause the pump to overheat and wear out faster. Symptom 5, delayed steering response. A failing power steering pump may not be able to maintain consistent hydraulic pressure, which may lead to a lag between when you turn the steering wheel and when the vehicle responds. This can be dangerous as it affects the driver's control over the vehicle. Symptom 6, power steering failure. In the worst-case scenario, a bad power steering pump can lead to a total loss of power steering assistance. If they are low, top them up and see if the symptoms persist. If this happens, it's crucial to get your car checked out immediately. So, what should you do if you notice any of these symptoms? The first step is to check your power steering fluid levels. If they're low, top them up and see if the symptoms persist. If the problem continues, it's best to consult with a professional mechanic to diagnose and fix the issue. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe damage and costly repairs down the line. Thanks for watching the complete video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.